Oh, hey, I've got some good news for you and some not so good news for you.
All right, hit it.
All right, so the good news is I found my vegan taco pin. So when I bought these pork pie hats, I knew I wanted a pin, and you may have noticed in all of my videos I'm wearing this vegan power pin that's like a burger with the words vegan power between the buns. Love this pin. Found it at a place called Vegan Power. Was typing vegan lapel pins online one day and found Vegan Power on Etsy. Just type in Vegan Power at Google and look for these pins. They're really great. I love them. They're super high quality, beautiful artwork, beautiful color, and I've had this Vegan Power pin on this side of my hat forever and thought I lost my vegan taco pin. So I was cleaning the car out, looked under the seat, and there it was, my old baseball cap with my vegan taco pin. That's the good news. Now, the not so good news. So today's a Wednesday video. Since this channel started with Give Peas a Chance, which you can actually watch all of those videos on that playlist, Give Peas a Chance. Those are fantastic plant-based recipes by the amazing Claire Peters in her incredible kitchen. You've got to check those recipes out if you're looking for some incredible vegan recipes. The Give Peas a Chance playlist. Since I started the Skeptical Vegan just over a year ago, I've been putting out 2 videos per week, a Wednesday and a Friday upload. Well, that pace was too frantic. That pace was too much. I may get back to it, but for now, this may be the last Wednesday video for a while, and you'll just see new episodes every Friday. In between those episodes, I'll go live. In between those episodes, I'll do a little few extras, not unlike this one, some rants, some opinions, some reviews. But in terms of the actual episodic versions of The Skeptical Vegan, those will be Fridays at 10 a.m. here on YouTube, over on Facebook. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe on everything we're doing. We definitely reply to every comment. We appreciate every comment. We're up around, I think, over 7,000 subscribers now, some 250,000 video views. We really appreciate that. Getting the vegan word out. Anything you can do to help promote this channel, promote these videos, I would certainly appreciate. Click play all on the playlists. That definitely helps bring up the number of views, and also it's incredibly entertaining, I hope. So you have ideas for episodes, comment below. You have friends who haven't seen these episodes, please share. If you've never commented before, today would be a great day to comment. So good news, vegan taco pin. Not so good news, we're going once a week on Fridays with extras, live episodes, or live broadcasts in between. So thanks for tuning in, and go vegan. This isn't actually a freeze frame.